Hi, this is Mr. Knapp. In this video, I'm going to go over how to create your bookmarks and take a screenshot of them to document them in your portfolio of work. So to do that, we're going to start off on Google Classroom here, and we're going to go and open up all of the bookmarks, all of the websites that we want to bookmark, and I will go over how to create those bookmarks. So to begin with, we're going to go to our classwork website now, and I'm going to right click on my touchpad with 2 fingers, and I'm going to say open link in new tab. And that gives me a new tab instead of closing out of the current tab that I'm on. So now I'm going to go to classwork, and in classwork I'm going to scroll down to the assignments. And here in assignments, I'm going to click on my 6th grade engineering notebook. Now, important note on yours, it will say your name here in place of this. So it'll say your name, 6th grade engineering notebook. So we're going to click on that assignment. We're going to scroll down, and we're going to open up this engineering notebook, your portfolio of work. So that's 3 of the tabs. We're going to open up a 4th one by going back to our classwork page and scrolling down to the bottom. And under course materials, we're going to open up requirements. So we're going to click that, and then we will click on the requirements. So we have 4 of our required sites open. And I'm going to go back to classwork and open the 5th and last bookmark that we're going to do for today. We're scrolling down, and underneath of the course materials, there is a important links icon. So we're going to click on important links, and then we're going to click on Clever. And once Clever is open, it may ask you to sign in with your GSCS account. You have to sign into Clever by clicking the little button that says sign in with GSCS account. Okay, so we got all of our tabs open here on the top. You can rearrange them if you would like. You can drag and drop them like this. So maybe you want your Clever to be over here. You can arrange tabs by dragging and dropping them. Okay, once you are ready to bookmark, you'll go to the 3 dots here, and you will click on the bookmarks, and we will go over to where it says bookmark all tabs. And this will allow us to bookmark all 5 of them at one time. So we click bookmark all tabs, and we need to make sure that our bookmarks bar folder is gray. So we click on it, it's gray, and then we click on this right here where it says name. We'll highlight that, and we will type in whatever class period you have me for engineering. That's what you put in here, that number. So I'm going to put 5, and then I'm going to click save. And when you do that, it will make your folder in your bookmarks bar, but I have so many bookmarks that my folder got put all the way down at the end. So it always adds it to the end if you have a lot of bookmarks. So I'm going to go click this little double arrow here, and then I'm going to scroll down, and you can see I have a lot of bookmarks. So I'm scrolling down. Here's my number 5 folder. I'm going to take 1 finger, and I'm going to click and hold down on it, and then I'm going to take my other finger, and I'm going to drag that up to my bookmarks bar right here at the start, okay, over on the left side of my screen there, so that I have easy access to it and I don't have to keep going back to this little button right here. Now, if your bookmarks aren't displaying, you may need to turn them on by going to the 3 dots and clicking on the bookmarks, and then make sure show bookmarks bar is checked, and then your bookmarks will show. Okay? So now to do the screenshot, all you have to do is click on that button, which is our number 5 folder. Click on the number 5 folder. Our bookmarks are displayed. So to do the screenshot, we're going to hold down Control on our keyboard, and we're going to hold the switch key. We're going to press the switch key. And very quickly, we're going to come down here and select Copy to Clipboard. Okay? If you copy that to your clipboard right away, then you can come right back to Requirements, and you'll see on slide number 4, there is a requirement. It says add a screenshot to this slide of your bookmarks folder that clearly displays all the bookmarks you created for this class. And number 2, stretch the screenshot so it covers the entire slide. So I'm going to just take 2 fingers. I'm going to press my touchpad at the same time, and then I'm going to click on Paste. A second method that you could use is you could come up here to Edit and select Paste, and that would paste it in as well. Just make sure you're pasting it onto the correct slide, which is slide number 4, and you do that by selecting slide number 4 before you paste. So that's how you document your evidence that you have created these bookmarks. That's one method. Let me show you a second method. So I'm going to press Control Z and delete that, and I'm going to open up my bookmarks that I'm trying to document again. This time I'm going to press Control Shift. So I'm holding the Control and the Shift keys, and now I'm going to press the switch button. And when you do that, your screen kind of goes a little bit darker, and if you look at the cursor, your cursor changes to a crosshair. So I have a crosshair, and now I am going to click with this finger, and I'm going to drag with my other finger, and I am going to select just those bookmarks. So I let go, and now I can go ahead and copy to clipboard. But when you do it, I really want you guys to include your avatar button over here. And your name. That way I have your name in your screenshot. So let me show you that again real quick. Control, Shift, and then switch. And now I take one finger, I click on my touchpad, and I drag this all the way over right to there. And then I'm going to copy that to my clipboard. Click Copy to Clipboard. And now I can, even a third way is just press Control V, and that will paste it in here. So a lot of different ways that you can do that, okay? And I did say to make sure it covers your whole slide. You know, I can see it that way as well. So I would like you to document your bookmarks using one of the methods that I went over, and please just make sure that you can see your slide clearly. This one's not very clear, so I'm going to hit Control Z, undo, 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 and I'm going to do it one last time here. I'm going to do my 5th. I'm going to do a Control, Shift, switch. I'm going to do it in a square shape this time that's shaped like my slide. So I'll copy that to clipboard, and this way it will be clearer. So I'm going to Control V, and you can see I have a nice clear screenshot. I'm going to make sure that that's filling my slide. There I can see my avatar button, and I can see it covers the whole slide. So that's how you document your work with a screenshot.